Hey there, Kyle Souza here from the TalkingGeek.com. Uh, I've had some trouble going live here, and I had just a not a great week last week, personally, with some deaths in the family. But that's not why you're watching this video. So I have some stock picks, and yes, it is Sunday night / early Monday morning, but all this data is from Friday, the 19th, March 19th. And so here's the stocks that I'm buying now. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional stock broker. I am just a guy who created an algorithm, tinkered with it over the last few years, and put $4,000 behind it last April. And then by the beginning of March this year, had more than doubled my money. So 10 and a half months, more than double my money. And I just figured I'd share what I was doing with other people and start documenting my thing publicly, see what's what. So um, I do have several picks. Friday was not a great day overall for the stock market, I think. Or maybe Thursday was worse. I forget now. It's been a rough time, but I've got several stocks that I am buying, and so again, this is what I'm buying. I'm not telling you to buying. And anytime you use the word "you" in this video, it is just kind of like the royal you or whatever it's called. I'm not talking about you personally. I'm just talking about that as a third person, but I'm talking about me here. All right. So, like every other day this week, or almost every other day, not every day, but almost every other day, the Bristol-Myers Squibb Company CE, symbol CELG.RT or CELG-RI, depending on which platform you're using. This time I have a buy price of 0.24, keeping the same sale price of 0.34. So if I had wanted to sell this one for less than a 20% increase, I could have sold it at 0.28 already and would have made a 15%-ish increase, and got my money out. But I didn't. I'm holding out for that 34, which is a difference of 41.67% from the 24-cent buy price. So what I'm doing, again, is swing trading, just kind of set it and forget it on the buy price, and then when that limit order executes, setting a sale price, and I am trying to get at least a 20% gain in 90 days or less. Because if you can do 20% 4 times in a year, you have doubled your money. Again, not you personally, just talking about you as a person, right? Just a person could do that. Let's see. I did not go with CETX because there wasn't enough of a profit in there, but CETXW, the Cemtrex Inc. warrants, I have put in order prices at 15 cents. Right now it's sitting at 18 cents. I put in an order at 15 cents to buy, and we'll be trying to sell at 22 cents. All right. Again, let's see. Fortistar Sustainable Solutions Corp. warrant, not enough of a difference. Hancock Jaffe Laboratories Inc. warrant. That one I have done in the past a couple times, and it was great. But right now I'm not as confident as I want to be in that at least 20%. Right now I'm pretty confident in a 15.63% change from 32 cents to 37 cents. And it's sitting at 34 cents right now, but that doesn't meet all my criteria, so I'm going to leave that one alone for now. All right. Okay, now this one is interesting. The Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company Warrant, HOFVW. So I've got 2 different buy prices and 2 different sell prices that my algorithm has come up with on this one with varying degrees of confidence. So the one I am most confident in is buying at 64 cents and selling at 95 cents. So I bought 1 share well, I didn't buy, I put in an order for one share at 64 cents. I'll be trying to sell that one at 95 cents. And then I am a little less confident, but still more than 50% confidence in buying at 50 cents, selling at 70 cents. Now you say, Kyle, that is not as big of a difference as the 64 cents to 95 cents to go from 50 to 70. Well, it's because I'm not as confident that's going to go all the way down to 50. But if it does, I think it can go back up to 70. You say, well, why wouldn't it go to 95? Well, I have that also. And so this one, I'm actually less than 50% sure of, but it's such a good return on investment. I have an order in to buy at 50 cents and sell at 95 cents. That is a 90% gain. And so even though that one breaks my rules a little bit in that it's less than 50%, I'm still just going to try it. Let's see what happens. This is all an experiment. Next, I have Onconova Therapeutics Inc. or ONTX. So this one again breaks a rule in that it's over $1. I put in an order for a buy price at 105 and then sell at 128 for a just shy 22% difference. But that one, I have a pretty good confidence rating again in my algorithm that'll be doable. So I decided to go with it. And then also the warrants for that same stock. So ONTXW. I've got two different buy and sell prices there. So the one that I'm most confident in is buying at 35 cents a share and selling at 43.5 cents a share. Okay, and actually I'm most confident in selling at 42 cents a share, but that little 1.5 cents difference didn't make too big of a difference at that buy point, just with the way my algorithm worked there. And then I do have a secondary buy point for that one at 27 cents a share. I'm less confident it's going to go down to 27 cents a share, but right now it's already at 35.11 cents a share. So really confident that it'll be at 30. I'll be able to purchase at 35 cents a share. But gonna try purchasing at 27 cents a share and selling at 42 cents a share. That one, just based on if it goes down to 0.27, the difference between it going to 0.42 versus 0.435 is actually a pretty big swing in my statistics here. All right, next. This one also breaks the rules in that it is over $1. So PXS or Pyxis Tankers Inc. I am putting in a buy order at $1.30, and I plan to sell it at 175. That's my goal. Sell at 175 for a 34.62% difference. That one just again had a pretty decent confidence rating in, so I figured I'd go for it, try it out, just experimenting here. But one that I liked even better was PXSAW, Pyxis Tanker Inc. Warrants. I have bought and sold those same warrants multiple times. They've come up in my algorithm and done well so far. So right now they're sitting at 49 cents and change. I put in a buy order at 41 cents. My goal is to sell them at 50 cents. Actually have a pretty decent confidence rating that it will go up to 50 cents, even if it goes down to 41 cents, which while that is only a 9-cent difference, and there's actually a pretty good chance that I would be able to buy it lower than that and sell it higher than that. I couldn't really lock down numbers that met my other criteria, so just a 22% difference there. And then lastly, SPCB or SuperCom Ltd. Right now it's sitting at $2.24, and this one has a chance, not a great chance, but a chance based on my findings. You know, do your own research if you buy any of these, because I'm not telling anybody to buy any of these. These are things I'm ordering. All right, they may not even trigger a purchase, but I'm ordering this one at $1.34 with the goal to sell it at $2.15. Now, $2.15 is lower than the current price. Why would I do that? Well, because if it goes down to $1.34, my algorithm's just less confident, or not as confident, that I'll go all the way up to $2.24, and that is a more than 60% gain though, even at the 2.15. So even though it kind of breaks my rule of purchasing stuff less than $1, it just good enough ROI on it. So gonna go with that. All right, so there's that. You can check out the description of this video for those symbols that I am purchasing and not telling you to purchase. I'm not doing it, okay? But I'm not telling you to do it. I mean, I'm doing it for me. And then I also have a spreadsheet just so you can track. I'm just publicly documenting my experiment. I want to see if I can do it again. That's my goal. I want to see if I can reproduce the success that I had last year. And you know what? I made a little over $5,000 last year doing this. And that is not, life altering money over the course of a year, but it is good. It's nice to have. It's extra. It helped me out. Definitely helped me out during COVID times to have that extra cash around if I want to pull on it. So my name's Kyle Souza. My blog is talkinggeek.com. I hope you have success in whatever you're trading. I hope I have success in whatever I'm trading too. Ooh, that'd be nice.